Western Alaska Minerals is a mining exploration company focused on exploring in the Illinois Creek Mining District in Western Alaska. We currently hold a portfolio of 5 high-grade mineral properties that contain gold, silver, copper, lead, and zinc.
Today we're leveraging our decades of experience in Alaska to bring forward the virtually untapped Illinois Creek Mining District.
We advance our properties year-round. In the summer, we extensively explore, model, drill, and sample our properties. In the winter, we analyze our data, analyze our samples, and expand on our 3-dimensional models.
I'm Joan Marrs, a founder of Western Alaska Minerals. I've been involved in mineral exploration in Alaska for over 20 years. We are so very passionate about the untapped potential and the future of the Illinois Creek Mining District.
My name is Joe Piekenbrock. I'm the Chief Exploration Officer of Western Alaska Minerals. I bring a long-term history in Alaska. This is my 42nd field season in Alaska. I've been involved in a lot of the major exploration going on in the state over the last 30 to 40 years.
I am Joan Marrs, President and CEO of Western Alaska Minerals. I spent 10 years in Alaska with Anaconda Copper Company and was fortunate to manage the Illinois Creek project in its early discovery days. The district has a tremendous amount of past history and information. At Illinois Creek alone, we have over 550 drill holes with all the data and assays that were collected from those. The Illinois Creek gold mine opened in 1996, but it closed after only 2 years of production when gold prices hit a bottom of $275 an ounce. This year, our goal is to add new resources at Water Pump Creek and also the high-grade Honker gold deposit. We have assembled a team with decades of exploration experience in Alaska. Between Joe and myself, we have over 80+ years of exploration experience. We will leverage this experience with an excellent technical team, a corporate team, and our goal is to advance the project to pre-feasibility in 2022.
Western Alaska Minerals is a very exciting company to be a part of due to our year-round efforts, our robust infrastructure, and our team with decades of diverse industry experience.